At the Requiem Mass celebrated for the repose of the soul of late Dr. Sabina Onwuasoanya, held at the St. Theresa's Catholic Church, Enugwu-ukwu, in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Ngozi Okekaru has details.
Reverend Father McBain Okeke in his homily urged Christians to serve God while alive, describing the late Sabina Onwuasoanya as a virtuous woman who served God and humanity during her lifetime.
Her legacies, especially love, forgiveness, prayerful, and faithfulness to God, others should emulate from her.
Emotions were high as the remains of the deceased were interred at her husband's compound in Urogbo village, Enugwu-ukwu.
We will miss you dearly, but we will continue to celebrate your life, legacy, and the memories we shared.
We can't wish you that it was a nightmare.
My wife is a nice woman.
I would describe my mom as one of a kind. Mom like no other. She will put others first before herself.
We miss her so much because she's yet to start.
My sister was a very good person, so humble. My sister is somebody that you cannot mix her and leave her without being impacted positively.
We pray that God will give us such a person again to cement our family, because she's such a person that we never allow problem to emanate in our family.
Family, friends, and colleagues paid tributes and condolence visits.
We lost a serving and dedicated staff.
In that college, she was a mother to both students and the staff. She has been so wonderful.
We love her. And till date, we still call her baby. The most unfortunate thing was that we believed that she will survive the operations.
The late Dr. Sabina Chinyere Onwuasoanya was born into the Okpala family of Nise in Awka South local government area of Anambra State, and until her death was the serving Dean, School of Social Sciences, Federal College of Education Technical, Umunze, a community leader as well as a devout Christian. She is survived by her husband, Francis Onwuasoanya, children, and many other relatives, including former General Manager, NTA Yenegua Emeka Okpala. From Enugwu-ukwu in njikoka local government area of Anambra State, Ngozi Okekaru, NTA News.